2 minus I divided by 1 plus I. So there are two ways in which you can approach this question. One of the method here, it is to use this fact that when you have z1 divided by z2 modulus, this is the same as getting modulus of z1, then you divide by modulus of z2. So we make use of this. Our z1 in this case is equal to 2 minus 1. So z1 modulus is found by 2 squared plus 1 squared square root, which is equal to 4 plus 1 square root, which is equal to root of 5. Our z2 modulus, first of all, we start with our z2. Our z2 is equal to 1 plus I. So our z2 modulus will be given by 1 squared plus 1 squared square root, which is equal to root of 2. Root of 2. Meaning that now our z1 over z2 modulus, which is the same as 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I modulus, we have obtained the numerator to be root of 5 and the denominator to be root of 2. We can multiply by root of 2 and divide by root of 2 so that we obtain root of 10 in the numerator over 2, which can be written as a half root of 10. Now, alternatively, we can, first of all, where you have 2 minus I, we can multiply it with the conjugate of the denominator so that we have 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I, 1 minus I, which is, this will give us 2 minus 2I minus I minus I squared. You have minus I and minus I, this will give you plus that, which will give you the denominator, of course, will have 1 plus 1, which will give you, so you have 2 minus 1, using the fact, remember I squared is equal to negative 1. So you shall make use of that fact there. Negative 2 I minus I will give you minus 3 over 2. Minus 3I over 2. This is the same as 1 minus 3I over 2. 1 minus 3I over 2. So meaning that 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I modulus is the same as 1 squared plus 3 squared or plus negative 3 squared square root divided by the denominator is 2 squared square root, which is equal to square root of 10 over 2 over square over 2, which is the same as a half root of 10 as we have obtained above. Note that 2 minus I over 1 plus I modulus, we have seen it as reduced as half minus 3I over 2 modulus. So when you obtain modulus here, of course, the first case we are going to obtain 1 over 4 plus minus 3 over 2 squared square root, which is equal to 1 over 4 plus 9 over 4 square root, which is the same as 10 over 4 square root, which is equal to root of 10 over 2. So, meaning that our question 2I divided by 1 plus I modulus, this is the same as half root of 10. Thanks so much for your time to study with me on how to do arithmetic of complex number, and now we are considering modulus of complex number. For more such learning, tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may continue learning together. Remember also to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day.